welcome guys. Yeah, so let's solve this simple question called reverse word in a string. So given an input string and reverse order of the words. So words define a sequence of non-space characters. The words is in S will be separated by at least one space. Right. So for example, the sky is blue. There's a le is a word, sky is word is a word, blue is a word. The return string of word in reverse order concatenated by a single space. Okay, so basically, if you take the split, I may start from some empty, right? So this is answer, and I take a split, and you can see that blue, you get the array which is the sky is blue, and then you go through, and the idea is that you need to reverse it, right? But the problem is that there may be something empty, so you need to you need to reverse it, and if the guy is non-empty, then you need to add it, right? But you need to separate, right? So you should add some empty. But after this, finally you will left with one empty. So you go through and delete and forget about the final word, which is the final must be empty. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, so very, very simple idea. Okay, go through it. Yeah, that's it. So see you guys next videos.